Hi everyone, Island Girl Recipes, this is Keisha here, and today's recipe is patties. I just genuinely felt like some pastry and I just thought, what recipe could I do with that? I had Ackee and Callaloo in the fridge, so I thought this is the best combination to put the two together. Today's recipe is Ackee and Callaloo Patties. Patties in this style are synonymous with Jamaican. Bright yellow, turmeric or curry infused pastry. So I thought, let me do something that is really comforting and something that everybody loves. It's buttery, flaky and just really, really delicious.
So we're making everything from scratch, starting with the pastry. Got some plain flour here, then we're going to add salt and some turmeric. Just combine that. Then we're going to rub in a little butter and rub that in until it becomes small little breadcrumbs. Then we're going to add some water and form it into a nice soft dough. Once that's become a nice ball, it's nice and smooth, we're going to chill that for 30 minutes. Then, in order to make it like a puff pastry, we need to layer in the butter. So to start with, we're going to add some butter to the center. Then we're going to fold in the sides, top and bottom, so the butter is sealed inside like an envelope. We're going to roll that out and fold it back on itself. This creates the layers, and we're going to repeat that 2 or 3 times. The more you do it, the more layers it creates. Once you've done that a few times, we're going to chill this again, and whilst it's chilling, we're going to prepare the filling. So to prepare the filling, we've got some callaloo here, which we're just going to chop up roughly. Also have some sweet pepper, some garlic, some scotch bonnet and some thyme. I'm going to roughly chop all of this along with an onion and a little bit of tomato. Once all of that has been roughly chopped, we're going to saute it lightly. So to saute, I've just heated up my pan. I'm going to add some oil, and then we're going to add all the veg into the pan. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. And finally, we're going to add our ackee from the tin, which has been drained. And just fold that through lightly so that the ackee doesn't break up. Once that has been evenly mixed through, we're going to set that aside to cool. So whilst our filling is cooling, we're going to roll out our pastry. You can roll it out till it's about 1 centimeter thick, and then using anything round, a glass or a pan lid as I'm using here, we're going to cut out some large circles. Once the circles are prepared, we can add the filling. Ensure that it's cooled first. And we're just going to add a little onto one side of the pastry circles. We're going to fold over the side, ensuring you leave a little gap so that we can seal, finger along the edge. And then place it onto your baking tray. It's going to repeat this for the rest. So once you've filled up all of the pastry circles, we're going to place these in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven at about 170 degrees C, but we know that they're cooked when they're nice and lovely and golden brown. So these are done now. As you can see inside, the filling is just really nice and warm and soft, and that is literally it. Super easy. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and this is my recipe for Ackee and Callaloo Patties. Until the next time, peace and love.